Hi students, today we see the exercise 1.21. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Two sets are capital A is equal to 2 minus 2 3, capital B is equal to 1 minus 4. First write the sets. Capital A is equal to 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Capital B is equal to 1 comma minus 4. A cross B is equal to, write the set 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 cross 1 comma minus 4. Can you remember this? 2 comma 1, 2 comma minus 4, minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma 1, 3 comma minus 4. Next, A cross A. Write the set A cross once again A. That is, can you say the answer? 2 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. A cross A equal to, next B cross A. Second question, A is equal to B equal to PQ. Therefore, A is equal to PQ, B is equal to PQ. First, you find A cross B. Write the A set cross B set. First element in A, then first element in B. That is P comma P. Then first element in A, second element in B, P comma Q. Then second element in A, first element in B. Second element in A, second element in B. Here, both the sets are same. Therefore, A cross B and B cross A is also same. Now find A cross A. Write the A set cross A set. That is equal to, you will get the same elements because these two sets are same. Now find the third one. Capital A is equal to M comma N and capital B is equal to MT. First to find A cross B, that is M comma N cross MT. That is, if you multiply with the empty set, you will get the empty set only. Therefore, A cross B is equal to empty. You can't find the ordered pairs because here no elements. Next, A cross A. That is M comma N into M comma N. Then first element, here first element, therefore the ordered pair MM, MN, and take N and write with this N comma M, N comma N. Now find B cross A. B cross A is equal to empty into set Mn. Always when you find the Cartesian product of empty set and non-empty set, always the answer is empty. Empty set is denoted by like this or this. Now see the second question. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and capital B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. First write the sets. That is, capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Capital B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Now this is in set builder form. First you must change it into roster form. See here, the value of x is a prime number also given less than 10. Prime number starts from 2. Next is 3. Yes, correct. Next 5. Next 7. Less than 10. Therefore, after 7, you didn't have any prime number. Therefore, capital B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, using this two set, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, you have to find A cross B and B cross A. A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 3 cross 2, 3, 5, 7. The Cartesian product of A cross B is, take the first element in A and combine with all the elements in B. That is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5 and 1, 7. Like that, take the second element and combine with the elements which are present in B. That is 2, 2, then 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. The third element in A, that is 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Now find B cross A. First write the set B, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. Next cross write the A set. First element, write all the elements which are present in A. See the third question. If B cross A is equal to set of minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4. Find A and B. First write the set, that is B cross A is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, minus 0, 3, already you know that set of all first coordinates of elements of B cross A is belongs to B. Set of all second coordinates of the element of B cross A is belongs to A. Once again, the elements which are present in the first coordinate minus 2, 0, 0, 3, 3, that are belongs to the set capital B. Then set of all second coordinates, that is 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, all belongs to capital A. Then you write once. Minus 2 2 times means inside the set capital B you have to write in one time. That is minus 2. Then 0 and 0. Therefore write once. 3 3. Write once. That is, first you write here set of all coordinates. First coordinates. Set of all first coordinates of elements of B cross A are minus 2, 0, 3. Like that, capital A is equal to set of all second coordinate, because here A is in the second position. Therefore, set of all second coordinate of elements of B cross A is, what are the values? 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Therefore, the value is 3, 4. Right here, set of all second coordinates of elements of B cross A. Therefore, A is equal to 3, 4 and B is equal to minus 2, 0, 3. Next question, if capital A is equal to 5, 6, capital B is equal to 4, 5, 6, capital C is equal to 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A is equal to B cross A intersection C cross C. First to find A cross A, second find B cross A, then C cross C, then find the intersection of these two, then check with the A cross A. First write the sets. A is equal to 5, 6. Capital B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Capital C is equal to 5, 6, 7. A cross A is equal to 5, 6 cross 5, 6. What are the answers? Yes, 5, 5. Next, 5, 6. Next, 6, 5, 6, 6. Yes. Then find, take this as equation 1 because left side over. Then A cross B is equal to, find the set, that is 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6. Can you say that ordered pairs? Yes. 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. Then find C cross C. Now find the intersection of B cross B and C cross C. Write all the elements here. To find the intersection of these two sets, check all the order pairs which are present in this and this. 4, 4. Therefore, you can't write 4, 5. 4, 6. 5, 4. 5, 5. Yes. 5, 6. Yes. 6, 4. 6, 5. Yes. 6 comma 6, yes, that's all. Now take this as equation 1, check the equation 1, check the equation 2, both the order pairs are same, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6. Therefore from 1 and 2 left side, that is A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross A. That's all. Fifth question, given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, C is equal to 3, 4 and D is equal to 1, 3, 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is true. Here first you must find the intersection of A and C, then B intersection D, then find the cross product of these two. Take it as equation 1. Then next line, find A cross B, then C cross D, find the intersection of these two, then take it as equation 2. Then check 1 and 2 are equal or not. If equal, you can say the statement this is true. Otherwise, this is false. Students, take this as a homework for you. One more thing about Cartesian product of three sets. If capital A and capital B are three non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of three sets is the set of all possible ordered triplets given by A cross B cross C is equal to ordered triplets like this, A comma B comma C for all. First, that is A belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B, small c belongs to capital C. Take one example. Let A is equal to set of 0, 1, B is 0, 1 and C is 0, 1. To find the Cartesian product of three sets, you must find A cross B cross C. Write all the set, that is 0, 1 cross 0, 1. First find the cross product of this. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0, 1, 1. This already you all know. Now, see, find the Cartesian product of this and this. That is, first you take the ordered pair, that is 0, 0, then combine this 0. That is 0, 0, 0. Then, once again, first element, that is 0, 0, take the second element in the set C. Therefore, 0, 0, 1. Next, take the second element here, 0, 1. Take the first element here. Then, 0, 1, 1. Then third, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. Next, fourth element, that is 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. This is the Cartesian product of three sets. Students, you know about one more thing, geometrical understanding of Cartesian product of 2 and 3 sets. 2 sets means A cross B is equal to 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4 and 3, 5. For this you are using only 2 plane, that is X and Y. For the 3 sets, that is already we found that A cross B cross C is equal to, your points are like this. For this you must take 3 plane, that is x axis, that is one plane, then that is y, then from here you have to take the next plane, that is z. That is 3 dimension. You can say as xy z plane. Here 2 dimension. Here Cartesian product of 2 sets means xy plane. Cartesian product of 3 sets means xy z plane. That is here 3 dimension. Here 2 dimension.